Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Xano backend with Bubble for secure APIs step by step clearly. To enable Xano backend with Bubble for secure APIs, begin by creating an account on both Xano and Bubble. Once you have your account set up, log into your Xano dashboard. Create a new workspace in Xano to organize your projects. In your workspace, navigate to the API section and select Create API. Give your API a relevant name that reflects its purpose. Next, define the endpoints you require for your application. For each endpoint, specify the request method, such as GET, POST, PUT, or DELETE. Design the data structure for each endpoint under the Database tab in Xano. Add the necessary fields to your database model based on your app's requirements. After setting up your database, return to the API section to configure authentication. Choose a secure method for authentication, such as API keys or OAuth 2.0. Once your authentication method is set, make sure to save your changes. Now, log into your Bubble account and create a new application. In Bubble, navigate to the Plugins section from the left sidebar. Search for and install the API Connector plugin. Open the API connector and click on Add another API. Label your API connection, keeping it consistent with your Xano API name. Input the base URL of your Xano API into the appropriate field. For each endpoint you defined earlier, add a new API call within the connector. Set the request type to match the method you selected in Xano. Configure the headers for the API call, including your authentication details. Test your API calls from the API connector to ensure they function correctly. Once the API calls are working, go back to your Bubble application. Design your app's UI using Bubble's visual editor. Integrate the API calls by linking them to user actions or data displays. Preview the application to verify that the Xano backend integrates smoothly. Make necessary adjustments based on feedback from testing the integration. Finally, secure your API endpoints in Xano to block unauthorized access. Your Bubble application is now enabled with a secure Xano backend for APIs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.